Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P1683 indicates a performance problem with the throttle valve default position spring in the 2023 Honda Accord. This code signifies that the Powertrain Control Module (PCM) has detected that the throttle valve did not reach its target position, leading to the assumption of an underlying issue. The throttle valve is a vital component responsible for controlling the air intake into the engine, thereby directly impacting vehicle performance and emissions. Its malfunction can trigger several problems, including erratic engine performance and increased emissions. The spring aspect is crucial, as it ensures the throttle valve returns to its original position when not engaged. Identifying this issue requires careful inspection of the throttle body and associated components to prevent or rectify performance degradations. DTC P1683 represents a failure in the throttle valve's position functionality. In vehicles, the throttle valve is pivotal in managing airflow into the engine. Hence, it directly affects how the engine responds to the accelerator pedal. The PCM constantly monitors the throttle valve's position. If it fails to reach the intended angle, the PCM logs DTC P1683, indicating a problem. This is a crucial fault to resolve, as it can lead to poor drivability and increased fuel consumption. The throttle body, where this component is housed, is typically located between the air intake and the engine's intake manifold, making it essential for optimal engine operation. Therefore, timely identification and rectification of issues surrounding the throttle valve position are vital. Several factors can lead to DTC P1683 being triggered. A stuck throttle valve can prevent the throttle from adjusting to the required position. This issue may arise due to dirt accumulation or mechanical failure within the throttle body itself. Another possibility is a faulty throttle body, which may not operate correctly even if the valve isn't physically stuck, leading to miscommunication with the PCM. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM could incorrectly interpret signals from the throttle body, resulting in this DTC being generated. Understanding these potential causes is the first step in devising a comprehensive troubleshooting plan. Drivers may experience specific symptoms associated with DTC P1683. One common issue includes erratic acceleration, where the vehicle may respond unpredictably to throttle input. Additionally, increased fuel consumption often occurs, reflecting the engine's inefficient air-fuel ratio due to improper throttle valve operation. This DTC may also manifest as stalling or a rough idle, where the engine does not maintain a steady state when at rest. These symptoms can significantly hinder the driving experience, making it critical for vehicle owners to address any occurrences promptly to maintain optimal performance and safety. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and then holding it at approximately 3,000 RPM without any load. This process allows the engine to reach a stable operating temperature, while enabling the radiator fan to activate, an indication that the engine cooling system is functioning properly. After observing the fan's activation, the next step is to let the engine idle. Monitoring this initial phase is crucial to establish a baseline for further analysis of the throttle valve's functionality and the overall engine performance. Should any irregularities arise during this step, they may provide insights into further faults. Following the initial checks, the next step is to turn the vehicle to the off lock mode and allow a waiting period of 10 seconds. This pause is vital as it allows the electronic systems, including the PCM, to reset and recalibrate. After the waiting period, turn the vehicle back to the on mode. This procedure helps ensure that any earlier faults logged have had adequate time to clear, giving the technicians a fresh slate to observe the throttle valve's performance. Any reoccurrence of DTC P1683 post this step indicates persistent issues needing addressing. At this stage, you will need to push the throttle valve closed to assess its mechanical response. Release the throttle and carefully observe whether it returns to its default position. A correctly functioning throttle valve should spring back to its natural resting state without assistance. If the throttle valve sticks and does not return properly, it suggests that there may be an obstruction or failure within the throttle body. This test is crucial as it determines the mechanical integrity of the throttle assembly, helping to pinpoint the issue's source if arrests or faults occurred during this examination. If the initial throttle body inspection indicated a normal condition regarding the valve's operation, the next step is to proceed with throttle body cleaning. This action is essential in removing any residual contaminants that may lead to potential sticking of the throttle valve. Post-cleaning, perform the confirmation procedure outlined in the troubleshooting steps to ensure that the DTC P1683 has been resolved. Confirmation processes typically involve running the engine under specified conditions to see if the fault code reappears. Ensuring thorough cleaning and rechecking functionality will enhance the reliability of the throttle body and is a beneficial maintenance step. After all the troubleshooting steps and potential repairs, it is crucial to verify that the resolution of DTC P1683 is successful. This step typically involves checking the vehicle's onboard diagnostics for any indication of DTC reappearance, which would suggest that the issue has not been rectified. Following the diagnostic check, take the vehicle for a test drive under various conditions to observe its performance, ensuring that the throttle response is smooth and consistent. Keep an ear out for any unusual noises or symptoms arising during the test drive. A successful repair would mean the engine operates seamlessly, confirming that the throttle body and associated components are functioning correctly. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P1683, adopting a proactive preventive maintenance approach is essential. Regular cleaning of the throttle body can prevent the buildup of dirt and debris that could obstruct valve movement, ensuring it operates smoothly at all times. Additionally, inspecting other related air intake components, such as air filters and inlet hoses, can prevent contaminants from reaching the throttle body, thereby prolonging its lifespan. Furthermore, routine checks and updates of the powertrain control module firmware help ensure that the vehicle's software is equipped to handle any potential fault conditions accurately, thus minimizing the risk of triggering unnecessary codes. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P1683 is vital for the optimal performance of the 2023 Honda Accord. The throttle valve plays a crucial role in regulating air intake. Any malfunction can lead to significant performance issues, such as erratic acceleration and increased fuel usage. Troubleshooting this fault involves a systematic inspection of the throttle body and performing necessary adjustments or cleaning as required. By methodically following the outlined steps and ensuring consistent maintenance, vehicle owners can effectively manage this issue before it escalates into more significant problems. Ultimately, resolving DTC P1683 ensures that the Honda Accord continues to provide a smooth and efficient driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.